This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by gmoore. Awesome location in West Linn's historic Willamette Falls neighborhood. Short walk to the main strip with lots of shops, restaurants and professionals. Walking distance to Willamette Park with river access and 2 boat ramps. This level lot has 11,600 plus square feet. 0.27 acre, to build on. The garage/shop will need to be removed. Electricity is already connected with a meter. Other utilities are in the street. Buyer to do their own due diligence. Sellers will remove all personal items prior to closing. For more information, review the details below or contact gmoore at 503-495-3629.